Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this CUBOT. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down, then choose System. Now click on Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and the Gboard. After that, you need to select text correction here, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!